If you are having issues of TimeBucks surveys problem, whether it's due to an error or genuine issue, here are some simple steps you can try to solve it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more videos. Steps 1. Clear cache and cookies. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes accumulated data can interfere with the proper functioning of websites. Steps 2. Try a different browser. If you're using one browser, try accessing TimeBucks surveys using a different browser to see if the issue persists. This can help determine if the problem is browser-specific. Steps 3. Check for updates. Ensure that your browser is up to date. Sometimes outdated browsers can cause compatibility issues with websites. Steps 4. Disable ad blockers. Some ad blockers or browser extensions might interfere with the functionality of survey sites. Try disabling them temporarily to see if that resolves the issue. Steps 5. Use incognito or private mode. Try accessing TimeBucks surveys in incognito or private browsing mode. This mode often disables certain extensions that might be causing issues. Step 6. Check for server status. Sometimes, websites experience temporary outages due to server issues. You can use online tools to check if TimeBucks server is up and running. Step 7. Check social media. Some platforms provide updates about ongoing technical issues on their official social media accounts or community forums. Check if TimeBucks has posted any updates about the survey problem. Steps 8. Patience. If the issue is on TimeBucks' end, it might take some time for them to resolve it. In such cases, all you can do is wait patiently. Steps 9. Contact TimeBucks support. If the issue persists, reach out to TimeBucks support directly. They might be able to provide specific assistance tailored to your situation. Remember that these are general suggestions and steps and may not directly address the specific issue you're facing. For accurate and up-to-date assistance, it's best to refer to TimeBucks official support desk. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.